Forecast is also available from the following.
For less.
1996 Olympics.
Let us take a look at the tropics, and we're going to find out that we've had some pretty nice weather, at least in the Atlantic. Let's take a look at the upper level winds, and you can see why it's been so nice out here. The winds are changing out there, starting to blow our systems apart, and we don't usually worry about things as we get later into the year. As a matter of fact, it's going to start to wind down here. We are going to have one more day of updates. That'll be tomorrow, the last day of October. Then the tropical update will be turning into the winter weather update, although if anything develops in the tropics, we'll be the first ones to let you know. But usually the season winds down this time of the year. We do have a flare-up right here, but this upper level low will probably take care of anything trying to develop in this area, blowing it back up into the middle of latitudes. Down here, very quiet through the lower latitudes, on back into the Caribbean. Couldn't be better in the Caribbean. If you want to take a cruise, go right ahead. No problems. Here's this little system trying to get going, but there's an upper trough here, and it's really impeding its progress and actually probably going to send it on its merry way here and taking it off toward the northeast, so no problems. Gulf of Mexico, as quiet as can be here. Lots of blue skies and blue oceans over the area, and it's going to be pretty nice right through the next couple of days. Now, we've had this system coming out of the Gulf through Florida today with big thunderstorms, even the possible tornadoes coming with some of these cells, and they're moving off to the northeast here, and some of this moisture is going to get caught up in the flow and head up the coastline here. Could see some rain for you folks by Monday. We also have some action out in the west, although most of the Pacific pretty quiet here. A lot of high clouds being drawn up here into the U.S. The subtropical jet still pretty active here, and we'll probably see that playing into our forecast. And further on out, we've got the typhoon still rumbling out here, and 3 storms out here, but they're not going to be affecting anyone as they head back to the north. And you can see the moisture here with, I believe that is Vern, just kind of getting shunt off to the northeast, and things are going to be improving much in the way in the western Pacific. As we head you back to the States, we've got 3 areas of rainfall and kind of unsettled weather. One here in the southeast, one in the central U.S., some light showers here, and in the northwest, a few raindrops and snowflakes are falling. We'll take a closer look at the southeast, where we've had some bigger thunderstorms here. And first, the front's on there. We got a weak front here. There's a system trying to develop right along that front, and that's going to bring in a few showers, nothing too heavy, though, over the plain states. The heavy stuff is down in Florida, Daytona Beach, all the way down right around, say, Fort Pierce area, Jensen Beach. We're seeing some pretty big thunderstorms here, and some of these have been capable of even producing tornadoes out there. Tornado watch remains until 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Yes, we're back on the standard clocks now. Hopefully you've set your clock back an hour by now. Well, let's take a look at what's going to happen tomorrow with this severe weather and the active weather in the east. Well, the rain